are going to be making something so good. And I have a helper joining me today.
Hello YouTube, it's Chase Long.
So first things first, you always want to start with clean veggies. So definitely wash your stuff off, please. We don't want to be eating bugs and dirt and everything else. So we got all our cauliflower bites or wings or legs, whatever you want to refer to them as. We have them all cut up here. As you can see, we're gonna start on our batter, okay? All right guys, so now we got our cauliflower bites, wings, chilling out on the parchment paper. We're gonna go ahead and start working on this batter. So in front of you, what you see here is a half a cup of almond milk already in the bowl. And to that, we are going to add a half a cup of water. So Chase, go ahead, you can dump the water in there. And then you also need to add 1 full cup of flour. Ooh. Okay, and then you see that whisk over there? Yep. You can use that to kind of start stirring. Chase, don't be scared. Whip it. Whip it. He's scared, y'all. So we have our seasonings here. We're gonna go ahead and dump these in. Mix it up. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix this all up. So now we got our batter all mixed and seasoned. Oh my God. Look at that, y'all. Look at how good that looks. Can y'all see that? And it smells so freaking heavenly. Oh, it smells like heaven, y'all. If heaven had a smell. But you want to make sure about 10-15 minutes in that you take them out, flip them, put them back in for the remainder of the time. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and get started on the sauce that we need. And for the sauce today, I'm going to be making a spicy barbecue. So basically you can use whatever kind of sauce, whatever kind of brand you want. This is my choice of barbecue sauce for today. So I'm going to use this sauce. You want to dump the whole thing in here. And then we're gonna mix maybe roughly, I guess I'm gonna put maybe about a tablespoon. Oh, there we go. So we got some Louisiana hot sauce. You can add however much you want. Basically just go according to your taste. And then also to your sauce, you're gonna wanna go ahead and add a little bit of vegan butter. so now that we have our spicy barbecue cauliflower wings coated and covered in that sauce, we're gonna go ahead and pop these babies back in the oven at 450 for another 20 and 25 at the most more minutes. So
bright orange hair, thankfully done by my mom. She did my hair.
all right guys, and so we are pretty much done with our bites, wings, whatever you want to call them. Now we're gonna make some vegan mayo, and for this you will definitely need 1 cup of vegan mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. I did not have fresh parsley, so as you can see, I used the dry stuff, but if you have fresh, that's preferred. It'll probably taste better, I'm sure. And then 1 teaspoon of fresh dill, which I also did not have, and I have the dry stuff, so I'm sure if you make yours with the fresh stuff, it will be much better. You're done. So we're actually gonna try this out. I'm like, for real, I'm just gonna rush through this, y'all, because I'm dying to eat. It smells too good, and I'm like, I'm done. I'm over it. Okay, so that is smacking, as my son Chase would say. That is so good. Oh my God, that is so good. And the bad thing about it is I have had cauliflower, barbecue cauliflower bites before at a vegan restaurant, and those rival that. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. For real, for sure, 10 out of 10. So, all right guys, that's it. This video is done. It's over, it's a wrap. I'm gonna get off camera so I can smash this. And you guys, go and try this. Try it for yourself. Until next time, I'll catch y'all in my next one.
Ooh, I'll cook it.
This one. Don't bug with us, man. We'll get you right, I promise you. You won't regret it. If you want to be vegetarian, vegan, we got you, brother.
Just try it. Trust me. Try it. Try it. All right. Bye, y'all.